Hi everybody, this is Josh Coe and I'm back with the Cock and Block to do an update on how to fix your copyright claims for YouTube. This is kind of an annoying thing to get. As soon as you make your video, you'll see that it's ineligible for monetization. So I want to help you to successfully dispute these without getting a copyright strike. That's very, very important to avoid. Now, the biggest changes is going to be the look of how to actually dispute a claim. They've changed it. They've made it less intuitive. They've made it a little bit more hidden. So if you don't know what you're looking for, you might miss it. So we're going to show you how to find it and how to stay away from the dreaded copyright strike. The biggest change as well is that it's going to be changed from the appeal process taking 30 days now down to 7. So it should be a little bit faster. Okay, so Matt Ben, he's here with me. He's going to help me, and I'm actually going to show him how to respond to these ineligible copyright claims here. So we're going to take the cursor on our My Video page here on our YouTube dashboard. We're going to go to copyright claim. We're going to use our newest one from Iceland. We're going to go put the cursor right over copyright claim. We're going to select See Details. When we get to this next screen, you'll see it's ineligible. Now, we used to have a drop-down menu that told us, you know, how we could appeal or dispute our claim. It doesn't do that anymore. Now we've got these little 3 dots we've got to click. So go ahead and click those. Now it gives us these options: trim out, replace, mute. We don't want to do that. We're going to keep it as is. We're going to dispute this thing. Okay, so now it doesn't look like there's any way to dispute. There's 3 little big options here that basically give you more information about why you don't own this copyright and why you might have this copyright claim. We're going to ignore that for now. We're going to go ahead and put my dispute isn't based on any of those reasons and hit continue. Okay, so now there's different reasons that we're disputing the claim. Original content, license, copyright exception for fair use, and public domain. We're going to go to copyright exception use for fair use because we're reviewing videos and we're reacting to them. So we're talking specifically about reaction videos, but you might actually be using content in educational purposes and other transformative type of issues. And if that's you as well, this is how you dispute this claim. So we're going to go ahead and hit continue. Okay, so now you have to read this. Obviously, I'm not going to read it for you right now, but make sure that all of this is correct for you before you hit this box here and go ahead and go to continue. Now we're going to go to select type. We're going to go to reaction video. All right, now we're going to go ahead and put a little blurb here. Matt Ben, we're going to go ahead and do a copy. We're going to copy our text in here. You can see what that is. Now go ahead and select these 3. Boom, boom, boom. And now we actually have to sign it. We'll put the names of us in there. Matthew Banwart and there we go. That's our name. And go ahead and submit. And it's taking a while. Voila, dispute submitted. So the claimant now has 30 days to review this dispute. Remember, disputes are still 30 days, but appeals are now 7. Now I want to say something about appeals. Sometimes when I do this process, I get another screen that actually escalates it all the way to appeal right off the bat. Don't do that. Never, never, never appeal a dispute that has been rejected unless one of the 3 things is true. 1, that you actually hold the copyright and it's your material and it's just a mistake. 2, you have direct permission from the copyright holder. Or 3, you're working with an attorney who gave you legal advice who recommended that you appeal your dispute. Otherwise, if you're not one of those 3 things and you get rejected, you will get a copyright strike. Never appeal your dispute unless you fall into one of those categories. Otherwise, you're going to lose your YouTube channel. And that's no fun. We've already had 1 copyright strike and we got out of it because it was our first one. And we were able to take copyright school after 6 months of being on probation.
And that's why you have the knowledge to share with these fine folks.
Yeah, exactly. So
learn from our mistakes.
Learn from our mistakes. Okay, so that's how you do it. And in a nutshell, I hope this video helps. If you have any questions on how to do this, please let us know and we'd be glad to help. Anyways, we'll talk to you all later on the Cock and Block.
Thanks, guys.
Wow.